You probably won't get fired. That's not how it happens. AI replaces people quietly. Here's how. We imagine mass layoffs, headlines, public announcements, but that's rare. Here's what actually happens. Individual tasks get automated. Your workload shrinks. You're needed less often. Your perceived value declines. No one announces it until budgets tighten. You become less essential. Not bad at your job, just optional. And optional gets cut. That's the silent replacement. Here are the warning signs. Your output is automated. You're excluded from strategic conversations. You're labeled as support, not decision maker. Pay attention. AI doesn't need to fully replace you. It just needs to shrink your role. Shrunk roles get consolidated, and consolidated roles get cut. This is already happening. The question isn't whether AI replaces you, it's this. Are you expanding faster than AI is automating? Subscribe if you want to stay valuable.